What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is John, and in this tutorial series we're gonna be making Node.js backend. So in this particular tutorial we're gonna be creating HTTP server that listens on a port. So let's get started. Let's create an index.js file. Index.js. To make sure that the Node.js is available on our computer, let's just console out something. Console log it is working, and let's run that on our terminal. Right here we say node index.js and hit enter. Now as you can see, it says it's working. It means our node is working. Now we can actually run the Node.js code. Firstly, let's make some comments on our project so we know what we are going to do. This is primary file for our application. This is just a comment. Let's comment it out. Now here we require dependencies. Firstly, in order to create HTTP server, we need to require HTTP dependencies that is built in Node.js. So we say var or constant. You can say whatever, but let's say var HTTP variable equals to require the HTTP built-in module. Now we have assigned this HTTP module into this variable. We can use it throughout this program. Now after we create the server using this HTTP module, we tell it to listen on a port. Now I'm just making some comments for our program so that we understand what we're going to do. Let's say the server should respond all requests using a string, and then we'll say start the server and have it listen on a port, let's say 3000. Alright, let's create the server. Okay, now in order does the server respond all the requests, first we need to create that server. Let's create the server and we assign it to server variable, and it's gonna be an object we're gonna be creating using this HTTP module. http.create server, and now here we'll write callback, which takes two parameters. First one is request and next one is response, and I'll explain what they do. And here we say response.end, which just returns string hello world. Oh my god, world. And now let's start the server.listen on port 3000, and the callback is a function that just consoles out what it's doing. I am listening on port 3000 now. Alright, now let's test it out. To run that, as you know, we use terminal. We say node index.js and hit enter. It says I'm listening on port 3000. Really? Let's test it out. Let's go to our browser. Now we'll say localhost 3000. Hit enter. Yeah, it says hello. It should be hello world, but it's hello world, not hello world. Let's make it paradise. Hello world. Now it's Oh, quick note, after we modify this file, we need to run the server again. First on Windows, we kill the server by clicking Ctrl S, and we run it again. And now refresh, it says hello world. Okay, let me quickly go over what we did here. First, we required the required dependencies, of course, which is HTTP now, but in the next tutorials we're gonna be requiring more modules that are built in Node.js, because we're not using any third-party libraries. Next, we created server object using HTTP create server function, and here we have got callback function, which accepts two parameters. First one is request, I'll explain it later, but response is just a response that we end when somebody calls the server. And here below we have the server listen on a port 3000, and it just consoles out that it is listening on port 3000. So that's it, guys. If you have understand what we did here, and then you can go to the next tutorial. But before you click off this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And if you want to show your respect, please like this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.